So at Don Chow, I'm on my phone without my lapel, and it's must be 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's blistering loud with traffic. But I just want to show you something behind me. I walk past this every day on this tour and my last tour. Never noticed it. Check it out. It's like a greater map of Bangkok, sort of down towards the river where I am in Chinatown. Check it out. I don't know if you can see it from there. I don't know if the camera does it justice. You really need to get back across the road. It's too hard to cross the road, but it's made of recycled. It's nasty. It's made of recycled bits and pieces. Like, you know, there's computer cable stuff, and there's laundry detergent bowls, and there's toys. You know, look, looks like a 10-pin bowling ball. I don't know, some kind of toy, kid's castle. It's just fantastic. I don't know, maybe these are like Christmas decorations. Look at this. All bottled. These are water tops. When we bottled water. Isn't that fabulous? That's amazing. Oh, I've just noticed something else. Check this out. These things. What are these? Ring pull cans off, I don't know, soft drinks or whatever. I don't drink soft drink. But check it out, man. It's just amazing. Down the bottom right hand side looks like a little I think that might be a hairdryer. Isn't that so cool? And just off to the side is all the information that you need. All these people, these are the people that have done this. And just right above, that's the map that is portraying. How about that? That's just amazing. I've never noticed it. Never absolutely. Oh, I better cross the road while I can. This road is so difficult. No. Hang on. No. Yeah, look, I've never noticed that. And all this time I've been walking these streets. After breakfast I do about a 40-minute walk. I go right up through Chinatown and then back again. Right in front of us, this is the gateway to Chinatown. And off to the right-hand side, that is Wat Tramit. Might go in there today. But yeah, when you see this sign, this is the top end of Yaowarat Road. There she blows, the official sign of Yaowarat Road. And just in case you are, I'm not sure, certain, there you go, Chinatown. All roads lead to the fabulous Chinatown. I told you how much I love Chinatown. I never thought in a million years I would love a city like Bangkok. I'm a beachy person. I can't handle the noise. I can't handle too many people. I can't handle shopping malls. I just can't handle it. But for some weird reason, Bangkok, the city, has become my home. I can't work it out. I mean, look, I love the vibrance of Bangkok. Compared to Sydney, Australia, this place just has it all. One, it has the temperature, the food, it has the religion, and it just has the quirkiness that I desire compared to my hometown, which is Sydney. So, you know, there's a lot going on for me for Bangkok. In saying that though, I still love the beaches, and I am heading there very soon. I need to get this white body into that beautiful warm water and get a tan on me, man. I think a little bit of colour, I look healthier and younger. Here's a little map of where we are. Obviously we're here, Wat Tramit, we just kind of saw, and that's the that circle. That kind of tells you the start of Yaowarat Road and into Chinatown. Takes you all the way down there. I'm currently staying kind of over here somewhere. Not that far, it's only just a few minutes walk. So here's another word of the day, kun, which means you. Kun. How good does that look? I've been to China and I've walked some of that. Bloody beautiful. It is early, as I say, it's about 7:30, must be 7:45 or something now. So there's not a lot of action. I actually really prefer this time. You can actually think a bit, although you've got that traffic that's just hurting your head. It really does. But it's a really good walk early morning here, just to walk around and you see things in a different way. I should have brought my mic, but I actually didn't intend to make a video, but here I am again. But everyone shows Chinatown at night time or when it's really busy, but to me, listen how quiet this is. You know, it gets to a point where there is no traffic and seriously, you can just hear a pin drop. But to walk these streets first thing in the morning, it's absolutely unreal. Just going to walk on the road, and here we are, kind of the top end of all the signage. This is a real opportunity to come in some of these back streets where they're all getting prepared for the day. Sawadee Don Chow.
Sawadee Don Chow.
And yeah, they're all getting ready for the day. And normally you can't breathe, let alone walk through here. So I'll just spin the camera around and we'll have a quick look. In there is the market, so I won't go in. I need to go in there. We've kind of seen it all before, but I just thought, hang on, I just thought I'd just do a quick walk in here and show you what it's like first thing in the morning. I'm assuming these markets will probably be happening from, who knows, 4 or 5 o'clock. This is obviously the wet markets through here. And then there's a lot of fruit and veg and it's just everything. I advise you to get up early and just come through here and get lost, basically. It's just unreal. It really is, just a load of fun. You know, a couple of hours, it's going to be impossible to walk through here. And when this heat gets up today, 33 today, you can just imagine just how hard it is. I remember at Christmas time, it was just unbearable. Mind you, that was Christmas. So there were a lot more people everywhere. Okay, it's very tight through here, as one could imagine. Back out on Yarra Road. And I do need to cross over there. I said to myself on this tour, this is not to make videos. Or if I was going to make videos, I wouldn't put myself under pressure. I'd shoot a video whenever I felt like it. Maybe one a week. Bloody hell. I've been here 3 days and I've already shot about 4 videos. Actually 5 videos. And I've just got to slow down. It's too addictive. It's just too much to see, hey? So I think a video a day is too much, but I just can't help myself. I just can't help but going out, walking, talking, and then uploading it, you know. It's I really enjoy it, hey, I really do. Last time I was here, I shot over 100 videos over a couple of months. And that's absolutely busted me, so that's why I'm just going to take it a lot easier this time round. I've just been thinking about Thailand and why it has such an appeal for me and has done since my very first time. I think it just allows me to be me without any real prejudice, apart from being a white man who seemed to be affluent. Little do they know, most of the times I'm on the bones of my ass when I come here. You know, you work, you save, you come over here for a couple of weeks and you go back home and you just rinse and repeat. But I think that's what it's all about. And I guess it's not being different, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. There's a sense of being different, but not for the purpose of being different. I guess it makes me try harder to learn a language, you know, to respect a culture. It's really easy just to get too ingrained into your day-to-day habits where you live, and I find that you can get really bogged down, really negative. And I've been there, man, you know. I've been there back in Australia. You know, the great thing that happened to me recently was actually getting out of the city and going to Birdsville, where they are, the MDC mob. That kind of, I don't know, put a spring in my step, as they say. And I mean, coming back to Thailand was always on the cards anyway. But yeah, I was just reflecting on what I said back there in Chinatown. You know, why I like this place so much. And I think they're some of the reasons, not all the reasons.